How we see, it's very snowy here today, but the job have to be done. So today we're gonna clean the system where is the hot water going to the heater. There is a radiator inside somewhere, so I put air in the system to can push out. How you see all these dirty things coming from there. Okay, it's not much coming anymore because I pushed it earlier on. So next step is to fulfill with vinegar all this system to the radiator, and we hope if you have some dirty stones, sediments there, this one to clean it up. So let's see. I'll leave the vinegar 2-3 days to stay there, and we'll see what's gonna happen.